to Natural Resources here at GT Bray Park. We're hoping you're feeling crafty today because we've got a fun and simple method of making your own natural twine for all kinds of crafting projects. Let's go check it out. Alright guys, so there's only two things you need to make your own twine for crafting. One, the palm tree, and two, the little thyme. So right here we have a cabbage palm. This is actually Florida's state tree. In the middle, you'll see it's got this long stalk and a nice long stem going right up the middle. This is a rather young tree. Usually they're a bit taller than this, but you can always tell it's cabbage palm by this long stem and these little threads hanging down. These threads, they're pretty delicate on their own, but when you braid them together, they can actually be pretty strong. And so the first thing you want to do is start collecting all of these threads off of a palm. You want to start at the base and grab them from the base and just tear off just like that. And collect them, hold them nice and straight so they don't get tangled, and just keep going until you get enough. And I'll show you what enough for a nice length of thread looks like in just a minute. Alright, so I've got a nice amount of our palm thread here. I've kind of twisted it together so it doesn't get all tangled. Let's go start our twisting. Alright guys, we're here with our palm thread. The first step is to take off a bundle. Doesn't quite matter how big your bundle is, but the bigger your bundle, the thicker your twine. So just keep that in mind. I want you to kind of divide it in half, make sure it's even, more or less on each side, and then I want you to bend it. Make this nice arc, just like that, and then I want you to pinch it. I'm right-handed, so I pinch it with my left hand and I twist with my right, but you can do it either way. So you've got these two bundles, one on top and one on the bottom. I want you to first grab the top bundle. Oop, get that out of the way. Grab the top bundle, twist it clockwise, and with your other fingers, grab your bottom bundle and twist it counterclockwise. Alright, now do it again. Top bundle clockwise, bottom bundle counterclockwise. Clockwise, counterclockwise. And just keep going. This is all about opposing torsion. Tension refers to pulling, but torsion refers to twisting. And so there's opposing torsion forces with this, and that's how it doesn't just curl up on itself as soon as we let go. So just keep going for a second. Try not to get the tails over here tangled up. It's not too hard to get them untangled if you do. And voila! A short length of your own natural twine. Nice and strong, much stronger than an individual thread. So I'm going to keep going for a second and get closer to the end of my tails, and I'll show you how to add even more thread when we get there. Okay, so we've got a couple inches on here, nice and strong, but I can feel it starting to thin out on the tails. So we're going to grab the rest of our threads. This is a pretty thick bundle, so I'm just going to divide it in half. Don't need that much. So don't need to worry about this coming undone because it'll stay put. So I'm going to divide this in half, bend it over just like we did at the start. So we have that nice arc. And then we're going to pretend like it's just the same and add it on. Twist, twist. Clockwise, counterclockwise. Clockwise, counterclockwise. Once you get it a little thicker like this, the tails will want to tangle a little more, but just keep combing your finger through every now and then and it'll be just fine. You can see, might not be always the prettiest, but it folds right into the twine, no breaks or anything, it's still nice and strong, and you can just continue as long as you want and make your twine as long as you want, depending on whatever project or craft you have, and it's free. All you need is a cabbage palm. Make sure you're not taking from any Manatee County preserves, but see if your neighbor has one, if you have one in your yard. Cabbage palms are pretty common, and as you can see, it's pretty easy to make twine with the thread. So I hope you guys have fun making these, and happy crafting.